The California Farm Demonstration Network is really fundamentally about promoting the practical knowledge of experienced farmers. California farms, and by extension our food systems, really are quite vulnerable to the detrimental impacts of our increasingly extreme weather that we're experiencing these days. The heat spikes in the summer and the intense downpours in the wintertime. The extreme summer heat can really have a negative impact on the high quality of the fruits and vegetables that our agriculture in California has really become known for.
Many of you are familiar with the Cal Farm Demo Network. It started back in 2017, for those of you who aren't. And it's an agreement with UC Ag and Natural Resources, the NRCS in California, the California Association of RCDs, the Farm Bureau, CDFA, and UC Davis, saying we recognize that farmers are going to learn and be better equipped to adopt conservation practices when they learn them from other farmers in real situations and not just from research studies.
A farmer should not be farming alone. They should be farming with other farmers.
The farmer-to-farmer demonstration gives a farmer the ability to see and hold and touch that which is right. And it's almost like a sixth sense tells you this is right. And until you experience that, and you're just depending on hearsay, but once you see it and feel it, then you can start thinking of, hey, wait, it's more than just yield. Like, man, this ground is really going to hold moisture.
That network of learning from other growers is so valuable, and trial and error and on vineyards, those can take years.
My name is G. Moore. I work for small farm, UCANR, and I also a farmer myself. My role here at UC Small Farm Extension, it's a vital role for my community because they know who I am. This year I happen to work with the transition organic farmers. They have become really good farmers, like help them with the compost, help them purchase chicken maneuvers, and help them to plant their vegetable and flowers. And their farm has thrived really well and they have abundance. So they're trusting me to go into their farm.
What's really gotten people interested in participating is hearing it from their neighbors. Like, I installed this hedgerow and now we're seeing so many native bees, and monarch butterflies are coming back. And just that word-to-word, farmer-to-farmer talk is really what causes the interest, and people reach out to us and ask for assistance to install hedgerows and plantings and different practices. We are forming a network of knowledge that's authentic and building that trust within the farming community.
These are farmers who have already been implementing conservation farming practices on their farms and have figured out what it takes to be successful with these practices in their regions. If all of us collaborate together, then we have the best chance of moving towards our end goal as quickly and efficiently as possible.